All right, so on the screen on the left, we have the front elevation here and the end elevation, right? Now, what geometrical shape would you get as a three-dimensional object? So I want to move from a 2D drawing to a 3D drawing. Can you guess? It would be a cylinder, right? But the cylinder will be resting horizontal, all right? All right, so the first thing we're going to draw is the front elevation. So the length is what? 120, yes? Undo. So the length is 120. Okay, what's the height? 100. And the length coming back would be 120. And the height going down would be 100. All right. Now we're gonna draw a line from here. Can you guess what would be the angle? 45 degrees. All right. So the length, what would the length be? 100, and the angle would be 45. All right. Can you guess what would be the height going up? What would be the height? 100. All right. Right. What would be the length going across there? 120. Yes. And then it will come down back to here. Okay. So we're gonna go line from there to there. Good. All right. Now, what we have to do, we have to draw a circle that is equal to this square, right? Let us measure it. This is what? All right, so we're gonna draw this construction circle and cut it up into a number of equal parts, okay? All right. All right, so on the screen, what I've done, I've divided up this side of the oblique cylinder into the divisional parts which are here, okay? All right. All right, so here we have the points plotted on the end of the oblique project. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna plot the points, okay? So that is how you would get the circle there, all right? All right, so there I've drawn the same construction at the back to get the cylinder, the end of the cylinder on the left hand side relative to the one that's here, okay? So the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna draw lines now to end it, all right? So go there, there, enter, enter, all right? So here is our finished three-dimensional drawing from the two-dimensional drawing, okay? All right, so here is our oblique projection of the three-dimensional object when we're given the two-dimensional views on the left of the screen, right? All right, so this was our front ele elevation. All right, so this one was the, well, is the end elevation. All right, good. So this is what we were given, drawing on the left, the two-dimensional object, and we made a three-dimensional object. All right. So that brings us to the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.